Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on US-98, concurrent with Florida State Road 30, beginning at mile 230.6 in unincorporated Wakulla County. This is one of the more unusual segments in the series because we'll cover more than 51 miles with very little development, no towns, and no crossings with any state highways. US-98 is a two-lane undivided road here, and in Wakulla County, it carries the name Coastal Highway. Even though we're well inland from the open Gulf water, this is still the closest through highway to a long stretch of Wakulla County's coast. Wakulla County had an estimated population of 37,115 in 2024, with a median household income of $81,895 and a median owner-occupied home value of $258,300. Beyond the places we've already covered, other Wakulla County draws include Shell Point Beach, Mash's Sands Beach, and the vast St. Mark's National Wildlife Refuge, all known for quiet shoreline scenery, birding, paddling, fishing, and sunset views. We cross the southern tip of Jefferson County. This is only a brief pass through the county, and the road itself doesn't really change, staying a quiet 2-lane highway through timber and low wetlands. Jefferson County had an estimated population of 15,921 in 2024, so this is really more of a county line cameo than a visit to one of its communities. We soon cross the Aucilla River and enter Taylor County. The river forms the county line here, and east of the bridge, US-98 continues as the same 2-lane undivided highway through long stretches of North Florida woods. Taylor County had an estimated population of 21,843 in 2024, with a median household income of $49,073 and a median owner-occupied home value of $114,600. For most of this stretch, though, the scenery does the talking because this is one of those drives where the forest, the distance, and the isolation are the whole point. We conclude today's video at mile 282.1 as we come to the city limits of Perry, which we'll cover in our next video, much to the delight of at least one of our viewers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.